Hello everyone, I would like to introduce you to a series of videos about toxic plants created by our veterinary students. My proposal in this first video is to show you some plants toxic to animals, plants which we might encounter without having to go to faraway places. I am at the faculty and I have borrowed this golden pothos from one of our colleagues. She has this plant in her office. The golden pothos, or Epipremnum aureum, belongs to the Araceae family, the family which also comprises Philodendron, Alocasia, Dieffenbachia, Arisema and many other genus. It is native to some island in the Polynesia, but has been introduced as a houseplant in temperate regions. This plant, and many of the same family, often cause toxicity to small animals when they chew their leaves or their stems because of the presence of rhaphides, needle-shaped crystals of calcium oxalate. Typically, they can cause numbness followed by painful edema. In addition to crystals, the rhaphides seem to also release proteolytic enzymes which cause swelling. If we move outside, here we can find another plant with its typical yellow flowers. It is Oxalis pescaprae, which also goes by the common names sour grass or English wheat. Its common name, sour grass, has been given because of its moderately sour flavor caused by its exceptionally high content of oxalic acid. It has been reported to cause toxicity in sheep when eaten in large quantities, causing sudden death and extensive renal damage. And a few steps ahead, we can find another toxic plant, in this case a tree, Melia aceteraca, commonly known as the China berry tree and also Persian or Indian lilac because of the characteristic color purple or lilac of the flowers. The fruits of the tree, although eaten in large quantities by birds without harmful effects, are poisonous and narcotic to humans, and they have also been reported to be toxic to cats, dogs and horses by the ASPCA. Further away we can find Nicotiana glauca, a member of the Nicotiana genus which shares the same alkaloids, anabasine and nicotine, which have both stimulant and depressant phases of action. Ingestion of Nicotiana glauca can cause death, or they may act as teratogens. Cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, ostriches, rabbits and also humans are recorded as having been affected by this plant. Well, we are back at the faculty with my borrowed Epipremnum, but it should serve to illustrate the ubiquitous presence of toxic plants of interest to the veterinarians and how we can find these plants without having to go too far from our current location. See you soon!